guys! What a beautiful day it is. So today we have decided to play a beautiful game which is what's in my bag.
Yes.
The game is very simple. She has to guess what's in my bag and I have to guess what's in her bag.
Yes.
It's that simple. Whoever gets it right is going to get one single point each time. So,
Let's see how well do we know each other.
yeah. And let's play what's in
What's
my
in our
bag.
bag? What's in my bag?
So, who's going to go first?
Let's try stone, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's start. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. I won.
Okay.
She'll have to guess first.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me guess hand cream.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see if I have a hand cream. Yes, I do. I have a hand cream. So basically, this is one container in which
not container. ये जो travel pouch होते हैं ना उसमें ऐसे छोटे-छोटे डिब्बे मिलते हैं उसमें इसने डाला है.
and I like it because it's cute. Like what's in her bag? I will guess. I think she definitely has a lipstick. That's like an obvious guess. Like
Yes.
every girl has a lipstick in their bag.
Yes, I do have.
I guessed it right, and I got a point.
She got 1 point. Yes. Let's keep it aside.
So what do you guess? Like what's
Now
in
it's
her
my turn, so I have to guess. Sunglass.
Sunglasses. Are you sure I have sunglasses?
Yes, I
Recently using. It's very nice. She gifted this to me, but then it looks very chic, and I really like
yes,
it.
yes, it looks very nice.
She definitely has a power bank. Like, of course, I think she always has a backup for things. And charger ka backup to rehna is banta hai. So it's like, do you have a power bank?
No, I don't have today. I forgot.
But then you usually carry. But you usually right now my point is 2, and yours is 1. Radhika 2, mine 1. So I guessed it, and then you don't have a power bank. Now you're going to guess something. Then I'll check if that is there in my bag.
I believe she has lens case.
And I definitely have a lens case. Like okay, what am I showing? Cheating me, yeah?
Okay, so we are getting confused here. तो अभी
what
लोग last
हाँ.
में क्या करेंगे?
What we'll do is we'll
count the stuff.
stuffs. Okay. And जिसने भी correct count guesses किए होंगे तो
उसका उतना point होता है. तो इसके 3 stuff बाहर है. That means I have 3 points.
हाँ.
And she has just 1
1 point.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Sadly,
just
just
1
point.
Yes.
She definitely has rubber bands or scrunchies like. But if you don't keep it, that's maybe not my problem.
तो वही तो guess करना है. What's in her bag?
अच्छा ठीक.
How much do we know each other? वही तो guess करना है. Itchy crazy.
It's crazy. आपका scrunchie नहीं है यार.
सच में नहीं है यार. Okay, so what happens usually I do carry my crutches.
She usually carries power bank. She usually carries scrunchies and rubber band. But आज हम लोगों ने plan किया that we'll play this game and she doesn't have any of these.
Yes.
Wow.
I don't have today.
Okay. So for now, you guess one that's in my bag. What's in my bag?
एक छोटा सा पानी का बॉटल होना चाहिए इसके पास. होना चाहिए.
Okay, that's logical, but then I don't have a pineapple bottle.
क्यों? ये पानी का बॉटल ये एक बॉटल एक बार में पीती है. तो इसके पास तो she must have.
But this is not that bag in which I carry the panika bottle. That's my office one. No panika bottle.
No पानी का बॉटल. So I lose 1 point.
Finally, I'm winning. At least एक तो ऐसा हुआ जो मुझे नहीं पता.
ठीक है. Still 3 versus 2.
Okay.
3 versus 2.
Okay, I'm going to guess the next one. Perfume in the bag, like perfume. To she carries perfume. Like it's very obvious.
So let's not drag it. Yes, I do have
I told you.
perfume. हाँ, by the way, I do carry perfume, but 2.
Yeah,
मेरे
just
को ये
in
बहुत
case.
पसंद है since ये main perfume है, but I like main perfume a lot.
Of course, you're a wolf. You'll have to guess.
I have to guess.
You have to guess. Guess what's in my bag.
I guess or something like that. Headache tablet. Yes.
Okay, she's right. Like I do carry medicine.
By the way, I'm guessing it right.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, she's right. I do carry medicines usually. Got it. The score so far is 4
Versus 2.
So you guys can also comment down below who is on whose side. If you are on my side, you can cheer up for me. If you are on her side, you can cheer up for her.
Yes.
Yay. She must have headphones. Like that's should have headphones.
Excuse me.
Do
आज
you
मैंने
have
अपना
headphones?
headphone कहीं छोड़ दिया क्या?
See, today we are playing game and everything that I'm guessing right.
Okay, guys, chill. I do have. I got
a point.
earbuds.
I got a
Yes,
point.
yes. मुझे लगता है इसके बैग में भी परफ्यूम होनी चाहिए. इसके बैग में
That's
भी परफ्यूम
cheating,
होनी
but
चाहिए।
then still, she's right. Like, of course, perfume.
What do you mean cheating? मतलब तुमने
I
जो बोला
guessed
है-
it.
हाँ तुमने जो बोला I can't do the same, right?
No, you can, but then आपके पास कहाँ से idea है कि मेरे पास perfume होगा?
Okay, let it be. Let it be, guys.
What do
I
I?
guess wallet. Wallet तो होगा इसके पास पक्का.
That's obvious. So what? And what I keep is I keep my.
Guys, guys. एक
How is it go?
सॉरी आई एम सॉरी गाइस, ये मैंने गिफ्ट किया था इसको इसके बर्थडे पे। अभी
Okay.
इसका बर्थडे चला गया, मैंने इसके बर्थडे पे ये गिफ्ट मैंने दिया था।
Okay, yeah, she gifted and I love it. I really love it.
कहीं ना कहीं मैं इसे रखने वाली थी मैं खुद, बट इसको देना पड़ रहा है।
Because everything that is good, she should give it to. Yeah, definitely I have wallet in which I keep my cards.
हाँ, my point.
I'm going to guess next. You definitely should have a compact in your bag.
कॉम्पैक्ट, व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो?
Because you all the time do touch up. Like,
लेकिन मेरा मैनेजर निकाल के फेंक देगा। काम करने आती है, मेकअप करने आती है।
तो मेकअप का काम से क्या लेना? जो अच्छा मेकअप करता है वो काम नहीं कर सकता क्या? Look at me.
Yes, I do have
मैं काम नहीं
one
करती।
compact.
So you'll have to guess what's next.
That's what I do. So, actually इसको घर में बहुत, तो इसके पास एक मिनी फैन होगा जो पक्का होगा।
How can you be so sure?
Because मैंने गिफ्ट किया था गाइस।
I have a mini fan. Okay, definitely I have a mini fan. USB which you can use to charge it like it's
हाँ। Excuse me, you can't do this. चलो।
Okay, I think she has a charger, of course. Like, if you are an iPhone user, you should know it. Like, you always have to use your charger. Like,
So I don't have to search in my
Battery
bag
life.
because आज मैं
Very
भूल
bad.
गई हूँ। आज मैं
Samsung
भूल गई हूँ।
best.
तो मुझे ढूंढना, excuse me, जिसको iPhone यूज ही करने नहीं आता है, तो
Shut
वो
up.
तो यही बोलेगा Samsung is the best, जिसके फोन तो इसको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा यूज कैसे करना
I
है।
just hate the.
तो उसको तो फिर बुरा
UI
लगेगा ही।
of,
मैंने कैरी नहीं किया, सीरियसली।
Seriously, आपको जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ, आप कैरी नहीं कर रहे हो. What is this?
क्योंकि
आप
आज मैं भूल
plan
गई।
करके आए हो ना
नहीं
कि मैं हार जाऊंगी
नहीं
game?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था।
No, you should like literally comment down below and say Radhika is the cheat. It's taking a hell lot of time because we have dumped shit in our bags. Like there's a lot of things which we have in our bags, and that's why we'll level it up. So this is level 2, in which what we'll do is one person has to guess 3 things each time, just in case her battery dies in phone and she's getting bored, she doesn't have anything around, so maybe she can try to read. So I think she has a book, a pen, has tissues in her bag. 3 things. पढ़ रही हैं आप?
हाँ।
Wow, it looks like a nice book. Wait. So it says, I want to die, but I want to eat tikku bookie, something. But it's a pretty book. It looks as so many.
Why are you seeing my bag? Okay, the pen I have. She knows me very well. I don't walk
I told you.
without tissue. Yes,
Tissues are white. It's just the same. She has it. I know it.
because she's andhi, totally andhi. More than me, she's andhi. Okay. So she must have chashma, power chashma. She doesn't walk without sunscreen. Maybe rubber band. Yes, 3 things.
Okay, so
चश्मा तो होगा ही होगा, अदरवाइज ये फोन
Sunscreen.
कैसे यूज करेगी?
sunscreen,
हाँ,
yes, for
sunscreen.
sure. Like I have
ठीक है,
2
सबके
sunscreens.
पास था।
One is Cetaphil wala, and the Derma ka something new that I've started, SPF 50. This is really scrunchies in my bag just in case, because you know I don't have the chashma. You
Okay,
only get
guys.
2 points. I got 3. So I'm gonna guess something that you should have in your bag. Yeah. अरे ये तो होगा ही आपके पास में राधिका.
क्या?
You should have a mouth freshener. मतलब कुछ ऐसा munching के लिए, कुछ खाने के लिए, कुछ भी random like chocolates or something. You should have it.
Okay.
Safety के लिए सब safety pills.
Okay, so I have mouth freshener.
This
one
side.
mouth freshener.
ये रहते हैं. Give me that now. I want it.
Yes, and I have some candies of Vaseline because usually I don't like sweets.
Vicks है वो Vaseline बोल रहे हैं.
I'm sorry. I have some candies, but it's not the chocolate one. It's Vicks. Vicks की गोली लो.
खिड़की
दूर करो वो वाला, क्योंकि मेरे को खांसी बहुत आती है, बहुत आती है।
I told you.
भूख लगी,
Munching.
भूख लगी, जोरों की भूख लगी। Safety pin, let me check, guys. ये बुरी तरह से हार गई।
तो I just got 2. बाद में count करेंगे.
अभी मैंने इतनी चीजों को गेस कर दिया कि मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या होगा, but
Now
let me
the
try.
real game
But
starts.
let me
Now
try.
the
Now
real
the
actual
real
game
game
starts.
starts.
हाँ.
क्योंकि इतना बड़ा बैग है और मैडम ऑफिस के बाद कहीं कहीं जाती रहती हैं. So let me guess. फर्स्ट थिंग इसके पास इतना बड़ा बैग है और ऑफिस के बाद ये लड़की थोड़ी सी वो है, कहीं कहीं जाना है इसको, लाइक सम कैफेज और कैफेटेरियाज और मूवीज और शॉपिंग एनीवेयर। टोनर ओके, तो ये टोनर होगा उसके पास। सेकेंड थिंग इज वायर वाला जो ईयरफोन होता है वो होगा इसके पास, क्योंकि इसके पास वो डब्बे वाला, शी इज़ नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द बर्ड्स, सो शी ऑलवेज कैरीज व्हाट वी कैन से वायर वाला ईयरफोन। ओके, 2 things, डायरी अलॉन्ग विद पेन। 4 things, तो टोनर, ईयरफोन वायर वाला, and then diary and pen. Okay, 4 things done.
Okay, that's very specific that she said. Toner, of course, just in case you need a little bit of hydration.
Yes.
Yeah, like इनको पता है कि मैं ये वाला ईयरफोन यूज करती हूँ because I feel कि उसको चार्ज करना पड़ता है and then there's lot of
हाँ, और ऐसे इंसान चार्ज पे नहीं डाल सकते हैं। जैसे जो आलसी इंसान होते हैं वो अपने फोन को चार्ज पे नहीं डालते। This is the sign of आलसी इंसान।
Because if I have to note down.
Excuse me.
So I
लाइट कट गया गाइस।
लाइट कट गया guys.
गाइस
It's okay.
लाइट कट गया।
अपन फिर भी अच्छे थे। तो
ओके, डायरी एंड पेन। भाई इसको कुछ याद ही नहीं रहता कि करना क्या है। तो ये गजनी है गाइस।
oh shit.
गजनी बहुत सिंसियर नहीं है कि डायरी कैरी करना, टू डू लिस्ट बना रही है। नो, टू डू लिस्ट उसका होता है इन दूसरे केस में, क्योंकि शी इज गजनी गाइस, क्रेजी वुमन, शी इज क्रेजी।
No, basically, okay, I'm gonna guess 4 things and we'll wrap this off.
Yes.
So she should. अभी इतना केसेस हो गया ना कि we are like क्या होगा?
हाँ.
अरे इनको दिखता नहीं है. She must have the चश्मा. हाँ, मतलब इनको भी पावर है तो of course I think वो, और बुक भी साथ में रखा है तो रीडिंग क्लासेस ऑफ कोर्स होगा ही इनके पास में. She has dust allergy or something, तो I think she has this eye drops or something just in case if anything gets into her eyes, तो she uses eye drops. Face wash, हाँ face wash तो इनके पास होगा ही, definite 200%.
तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि मेरे पास फेस वॉश
होगा? I know it. I borrowed it from you so many times. मेरे को face wash दो.
Okay.
When we were out or something. And wallet तो सभी लड़कियों के पास होता है. तो I'm guessing these 4 things.
Okay.
Wallet भी होगा.
So I do have one power plus.
दिखाइए कितना power है? Oh my god.
ये अच्छा दिख रहा है तेरे प्यार।
Oh my god.
Seriously. Wow. Nice. She is right. मैं अपना फेस वॉश हमेशा कैरी करती हूँ।
इनके पास
कि मुझे मुंह धोने की बहुत आदत है, मैं एक दिन में 10 बार मुंह धोती हूँ, मुझे एलर्जी है 10
बट नहीं धोना चाहिए 10 बार.
ठीक है 10 बार नहीं, कहने का मतलब था, एक वो टोन था 10 बार, बट इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली 10 बार, इट मे बी 3 or 4 times in a day. Okay, so next one is yes, eye drop. Eye drop मेरे पास 24/7 होता है, घर में भी होता है, बैग में भी होता है, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत एलर्जी है गाइस, ट्रैवल से डस्ट आंखों में घुस जाती है गाइस, और मुझे बहुत एलर्जी होती है, मुझे आंखों से पानी पूरा ड्राई हो जाता है,
बहुत irritation feel होता है ना?
तो मेरे पास एक ये है. ओके डन. ओके नाउ सो वी आर डन विद द गेम.
Hey, you took out only 3 things. एक और चीज होगा.
और क्या बोला था तुमने? इसने बोला था वॉलेट. सो यस आई डू हैव अ वॉलेट. आई डू हैव अ वॉलेट.
But now let's see कि किसका कितना points बनता है.
ठीक है.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
ओके
11 and 12. 12 things. It's my turn
so
now.
let me count her points. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
Bro, हो गया क्या मैच?
क्या बोल रही हो?
क्या मजाक यार.
What is this nonsense? Oh my god. So well guys.
Girly folks. पर सच्ची इक्वल हो गया ना.
Sarangyo.
सारा ओप्पा.
Oppa. आप हमको सजेस्ट कर सकते हो हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में, आप हमें सजेस्ट कर सकते हो कि हमें और कौन सी वीडियो बनानी चाहिए ब्लॉग डालने की. टिल देन डू लाइक,
Share
कमेंट
and subscribe
टू
to
माय यूट्यूब चैनल विच इज राधिका.
Hi. पास लो क्या मैं ऐसा.
You know I'll even let you be my chumma chalo. Yes, I शर्माना आजा ना